Flavor is the best artist in the world. Take it or leave it. Because Flavor gets anything, get waiting to talk for every condition when you find yourself. I MC one traditional marriage somewhere for Anambra. I was the MC, and then a big man daughter wedding. Flavor day live band. You know, say when big men they do event, they like me celebrities day everywhere. So boss don't carry celebrities from hotel come venue. Now they announce their arrival. As I look the first person for the boss, now I introduce, ladies and gentlemen, one of Nollywood's finest. The Ogwego of Nollywood. Make some noise for Kanayo, oh Kanayo. As Flavor here and I Flavor begins saying, Professor Tiwelu Masunofe, Anti-Mela. Don't be silly about you could be away. That guy sit down. Now look the next person. Now I introduce, ladies and gentlemen, small but mighty, a woman with a golden voice. Make some noise for Miss Kedike Chidima. I Flavor shout, oh Lord, Ufe, angel of my life. Two of them begin singing. We say no be on our wedding, drop mic. When I look again, the third person, very versatile, very endowed, a good wife. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Mercy Johnson. I Flavor Siana. Uku saramba na di mumano biyo. Shake him. When I look the next person, no more. This one the trends more. I say, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kosi Ojako. And I'm Flavor shout, ala da la da da go. Okay, what
M.O.P. they talk about Igbo events now, Flavor. The worst people in Igbo events are the MCs. This guy where they announce peacefully, if you know you're the owner, if na Igbo event, you go hate announcement. First of all, if na for Abuja in the suite, Abuja, you know even who they make the announcement. You will just hear in voice, big man voice. Sorry, please go to pilot one of the Honorable Commissioner on Finance, go and report for the Honorable Commissioner on Education. Because everybody for Abuja na commissioner. Even dog where they carry for motor come na commissioner on dog affairs. When I Port Harcourt people, Ikure people, they like me their name, they plate number. You go here, Ikure make a way, I beg the owner of the car with customized registration number. Eze, Omanya number, Omapatama Panamri, Mapatako, Mapanoko. One of them there, please go and report for Chief Omotai 32. Often them one will be one was. The owner of the park. Calabar people go not chop dog meat, they don't even see what in the right for the paper. Okay, no see what in the radio, Toro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, make another verse. If you know say now you pack that can I pay for that young son. Your plate number AB528 iyo. I beg go come on that place I will come and I won't pack him okara nang. We go and pack. The worst are Enugu people. Enugu men, you know consign them whether you they understand their language. Now one old man go come, they confuse everybody. They shout for MC. MC gonna carry Melugu. Gonna carry Melugu on the bad what after like but then the announcement then you go. He came in shy all the very bad. He go collect mic. We confuse they look up. He go start. Ladies and gentlemen, you know like MC local or wa. Ema long bonye park lock benwe. Number moto go on ENU 5576 Sankana because I educate a pa fly but na can park lock on the very bad. Everybody go confused. Oh, the people worst. Mbisi worst. Anyway, Owerri is a very nice place. Owerri is the only place where I see Ron's girl where we are in Chicago come out. I mean, they wonder, is this a traditional prime minister of Ron's girls? How do you even have a conversation with this guy Ron's girl where we are in Chicago? Maybe na cola you go give him. Then I don't know.
Carry one get enter fast food, Baba. They say Moku marry. I just see whether he will work. Enter fast food everywhere. You know, say fast food everywhere. Light day. Now the girl carry a bar and soup. Come they swallow and small. I say, baby, eat well. And she say, no, I have small esophagus. I say, I'm for here. She dey swallow and small lights come go everywhere dark. The girl come mood one big one, maybe like my head. As she hold on like this, as she wants swallow, I'm not never bring light. And she say, baby. I say, say, honey. I say, say, this one is for you. I say, yeah, swallow him. Mad. The big men now, correct. You know, say you get the way you go big rich. You know, go come they carry different girls. You just get one loyal side chick. You know, my God, they go Abuja. And my wife carry phone, begin calling side chick. Stella, my husband is coming to Abuja. You know, it's only you I trust with my husband. Please don't let him follow any other girl, please. You're like a sister to me.
Please, if you know any Rose girl, tell her to meet me. I need to address them during their annual Rose Girls conference. Yeah, they need to do some things right. They are getting it wrong. I just came back. I came back from Turkey. Hey, DBBK, should I proceed, sir? You know, say for abroad, girls, they charge money. Do you know what it means? It take money. Naija here, you girls, if you're a Rose girl, I need to give you some ideas. Rose girls, you guys need to come together and have a union. Wanna produce app. All this, how much for a night? No, you don't need to negotiate. The app go determine. It go be like Taxify. The app name go be Sexify. Yeah, you wanna go see the art very soon now. We are working on it.
Are you a lady? Are you disappointed that men carry you at cheap prices? Are you tired of standing by the road? Download your app today, Sexify.
Men not gonna stress ourselves. We just stay hotel room, book your girl. Your girl arrives in 5 minutes. We go there room, the microwave engine. Come on, get ready to work. If girl reach your room, no be all this. Okay, let's go out. Now no, now sir, can I start your trip? 2 minutes, men like us, now we go to enjoy. We'll start trip. And trip, how much? 400. If promo day, if promo day, oh, SS money. If promo day, oh, one another, you people are confused. Just pick out the bundles, I'm sure of them, eh? All these ones where they spray, now M.O.P on. 6 now, 1 now. This one are 2 minutes, man. They do them quick. Nah, joke shot.
God bless you. Which kind of distraction? See, regular they do Wait, one another they win giveaway. Wait, one I'm in the plan. You are there like culture, eh? Oh, no, if you come down. For the first time, I see how poor people they high pass rich people.
Then all these 2 hours, men. I don't come quick. Behold, you don't know me. Mazin Mike, anyo. No problem. Start trip. Do. End trip 1.2 million. Now that time when you go see men, they negotiate together. Nah, I don't trust this app. Can we do this thing offline now? Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it. Okay, man, collect 1 minute. I beg go. They say, I just collect my this thing. This is my you get one sickness, so I expect next week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You say how? Now them count them. Now me count them.
So, Sparrow of Lagos. Abamona they spray will be what they do, eh? Even this shoe is in our credit. I gotta go help person. Do show, show me. Chairman, they won't spray my poster. To get money. If I spray and make you remove that hand, it's a shame.